Hello, project managers. Preparing for your PMP exam? Let's dive into 10 quick questions to help you pass fast. For best retention, engage with this short video. Listen, watch, read, and note. I'll read each question, the correct answer, and a brief explanation. Ready? Let's go. Question 1. The scope of a project is to replace the street signs within a 10-kilometer radius. The client does not want to sign the project closure report if the radius is not extended by 1 kilometer to be aligned with the council's development plan. What should the project manager do? Obtain formal acceptance for the completed work and submit a change request. Question 2. A company has started developing a new product. During execution, the project team notices that another competitor has launched a product with very similar functionalities and a cheaper market price. What should have been done differently to avoid this scenario? A minimum viable product, or MVP, should have been released to get feedback from the market. Question 3. An organization is about to start a multi-phase project. Due to strict regulations, some of the phases must be completely planned in advance. However, other phases allow for more flexibility and experimentation on scope and schedule. The sponsor wants to pursue the project objectives as planned, but also wants to accommodate new information and changes as the project progresses. Which project management approach should the project manager select for this project? Hybrid. Question 4. A project manager is leading an innovation project that is facing a lot of risks due to a high level of uncertainty. What strategy should the project manager use to manage these risks using an agile approach? Evaluate the risks constantly and reprioritize work as the project progresses. Question 5. A project manager is in a cross-functional agile team. The project manager has been assigned a software project with multiple features that will take the team about a year to complete. The CEO is insisting that the solution needs to meet business goals for the year-end, which is due in 6 months. What should the project manager do to align stakeholders' needs and expectations? Work with the stakeholders to create a prioritized backlog and release a roadmap. Question 6. A project manager is managing a project to deploy new software to 200 end users. During the implementation, there is a missed process that caused some of the users to lose their computer data. What should the project manager do first? Meet with the team to discuss the root cause and encourage the team to take note of it and continue to focus on the deployment. Question 7. An agile project will be delivered to a client based on a fixed price in cryptocurrency. Due to the volatility of cryptocurrency, both parties have agreed to adjust the scope to the value of the cryptocurrency at the end of every iteration and halt the project when the agreed price is reached. Which approach should be used in this situation? An incremental approach with a minimum viable product. Question 8. A project team consisting of various professionals of different nationalities is struggling to achieve their project deliverables. What should the project manager do? Provide the team with support to solve their own problems. Question 9. An organization is struggling to start an important project. The project manager has identified that the scope definition is the main item preventing the project from starting. Although most of the scope items are defined and agreed upon among the stakeholders, there are a few items that are hard to grasp and very complex to define at this stage. What should the project manager do? Propose that the well-defined scope items be delivered using a predictive approach and use an agile approach to deal with the complex items. Question 10. During the execution phase of a project, a new department has been created in the company. The manager of this department has requested to be involved in the regular project communications and reporting cycles. What should the project manager do? Perform a stakeholder analysis and update the communications management plan to reflect the new situation. That's your quick PMP prep. Keep practicing and you'll pass with flying colors. Follow for free training. Thanks for watching.